I want to show you this battery charger and tender and maintainer from Hulkman. The thing that's really cool about this is that they've given you everything that you need for a really clean, really nice setup. First of all, I'm going to show you this mounted to my wall in a minute. I haven't even put it in, but this mounts on your wall and it allows your positive and negative clips to hook right on here, and then your actual charger hooks into this. And as you can see, it's got a fantastically huge display screen, so you can tell what's going on with your battery at any given moment. Now, Hulkman sent this one to me. I'm so glad that they did, because I've got a couple of my cars in my garage that I'm going to show you, and they don't get driven all the time. So even though the batteries are at a full charge, something like this will maintain those batteries and float them at the level where they need to be. It's not good to always be charging your battery at full peak, then letting it dissipate all the time. Having it float in that perfect range is great. And this is going to have a fantastic display, which is going to show us the voltage on that battery. Along with this stuff I've already showed you, it also has, if you wanted to permanently clip it into the positive and negative terminals of your battery, then you've got this lead that comes out and plugs right in. Super convenient. That's how I'm going to wire this up, and I'm going to show you here in a minute. So let's take it out to the garage and really show you this Hulkman battery charger tender in action. So I've just finished wiring the pigtail connector into the charging ports of the Viper. So let's go ahead and plug in the lead coming directly from the Hulkman and see what kind of voltage readings we're getting. This is the connector, if I can get it to focus. This is the end coming directly out of the Hulkman. As you can see right now, the voltage indicator is reading 0 volts because I don't have it hooked up to a battery. So now let's hook it into the battery and see what our results are. Currently, I'm showing 13.2 because the car hasn't ran in a while. And you can see the charging status here, where it is. And now it's going to bump it all the way up to where it should be and maintain that float from then on out. So super cool. At a quick glance, I can see where my battery is at any given time when I walk out into the garage. So definitely do yourself a favor and check out Hulkman.